Hello, my wonderful friends. Take a deep breath. Let go of all your worries right now. Think about your mother tongue, Malayalam. Did you study grammar books as a baby to learn Malayalam? No. You just listened to your parents. You listened every day and slowly you started speaking. English is exactly the same. On this channel, we are going to learn English easily just by listening. I'm not going to teach any difficult grammar tenses. Here is your simple 3-step plan to succeed with this channel. First, listen to my videos every day. Second, do not try to memorize anything. Just relax and understand. Third, try to repeat the simple sentences out louder after me. So, let's get started. In this life, we chase many things: money, success, jobs. But what we truly want is just to be happy. Today, we are going to learn how to choose happiness every single day while beautifully improving our English together. So, welcome to our channel. Habit number one: morning gratitude. Say thank you. The first secret to always being happy is very simple: gratitude. Gratitude means saying thank you. When you wake up in the morning, do not look at your phone. Do not think about your problems. Instead, look up and say three simple words in English. Thank you, life. Be thankful for your health, your family, and a very beautiful new day. Here comes habit number two: the power of now. Live in the present. The second habit is to live in the present. Many times we are sad because we worry about the past or we are scared of the future. But happiness lives only in this exact moment right now. When you drink your morning tea, just enjoy the taste of the tea. When you talk to a friend, just listen to them and enjoy the small things. Finally, be kind to yourself. Mistakes are part of life. If you make a mistake today, or if your English is not perfect yet, don't worry. Say to yourself in English, it is okay. I am learning. I am growing. Loving yourself is the biggest key to true happiness. Happiness is a daily practice, as so is English. If you want to fill your days with peace, positivity, and easy learning, please hit that subscribe button. Let us walk this beautiful path together. Thank you. Take care and stay happy always. Bye bye.